I'm going to pull some of this mallow to put in a stir fry tonight. I'm in a place where there's lots of parrots hanging out. They're so noisy, so annoying, you can barely hear yourself think. Here's lots of mallow, but there's a lot of stinger nettles here as well, so I'm going to look for a slightly different spot. I don't want nettles right now. Over here looks better. There we go, it's like half a kilo of mallow in about 15 minutes. If it's washed, it's going to cook down like spinach, I imagine. And yummy. Great. Now we get some bok choy.